Gosh, Toby.
Don't do that.
No, you're pushing on his butt wrong. That's never a good idea.
I don't know if I've ever seen. Ow!
Did you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Nipster?
He didn't mean to. He just tapped the little.
Did you call him a nipster?
Yeah. Well, yeah. I didn't call him nipster. He got me with a little nipster.
Oh my gosh!
Toby.
I don't think I've ever seen him that way.
Ow! Ow!
Did he bite you?
No, he like.
He came running at him. I think Ty's video.
It's going on
He's like, I know I'm getting videotaped. I don't like it. Toby's gonna be sad to see you guys go again. He moped for a week last time.
Thank you, sloppy dog.
Sloppy Joe.
Now kiss Jamie. Because he'd like that.
Yeah. I love it. I like it. I love it. I want more of it.
Mm.